Check this one out. The last two of these we've had sold very quickly. 1972 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. And look at this car. Some length there, folks. Of course, as you can see, four-door hardtop. Now, as far as color, this is a E5 Chrysler Rally Red original car. Also would have came with the white vinyl top and also has white interior, so still the correct colors that would have came from Chrysler back in the day. Of course, no headlights up front. They're behind the doors. Doors do work. We'll check those out when we start it up and let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Look at the length down that car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It'll take you right to us. And of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. We've had a couple other Imperials similar to this in recently from the same gentleman that owns this one. Sold rather quickly. So if you are interested, give us a call. All right, underneath the hood, 440 V8 that is paired up with a 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. This car would have had electronic ignition from the factory as well as dual rear speakers. Power antenna, which does still work. We'll run that up and turn on the radio. Also has power windows, power locks, power seats. I will note that the driver's power seat, he can hear power to the motor, but it does not bump it back and forth. Passenger one does work. Now, as far as up front, you can see looks like original bright work and grille on this car. Paint, you can also see has a nice reflection to it. I'd say it is in showable shape with a few blemishes here and there that have been touched up. Little touch-up paint spots, but overall, very showable exterior. Again, this would have came with the white vinyl top, as you see here. Interior white leather, split bench seat. Also appears to be original. Now, as far as this rear window, I left that up for a reason. The power window does work, but it wants to bind a little bit going down, so I did leave it up so you won't get it stuck down or anything like that. Also wanted to be up front with you and let you know in the video about it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around and let you take a look at the rear bumper here. (1972), I believe, was the first year with these side marker lights back here and the eagle in them. Imperial badging. You can see up and down the car, again, the side. Nice reflection off that paint. Take a look. Pretty straight car. Does not appear to be full of filler or waving at you, as we like to say, when you can kind of see the ripples back and forth in them, especially on these long vehicles. Of course, this kind of has that fuselage look. 72, I believe, was all new sheet metal for the Imperial. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up, check out the interior a little bit. So carpeting looks good. The seats obviously show wear some in the leather, but do not appear to be full of rips, holes, tears, anything like that. Let's go ahead and start this up. See how easily it starts? Oil pressure gauge, gas gauge coming up. Those appear to work. Temperature gauge, I'm assuming, comes up with temperature of the engine, also alternator. Now, let's go ahead and show you where the antenna switch is. There's a map light switch under here, and also antenna switch, which you can see the power antenna went up there. Power for the stereo turns on there. If you want to seek to a station, there you go. So here the radio works. These are for the fan, lower fan. wipers also did work. Those going. And I was going to show you the headlight doors also. See, the headlights came on there. Slip around to the back. Cars have a good sound with that 440 V8 underneath the hood. Alright, check out the front headlight doors. Show you that those open. Then I'm going to pause it a second. We'll pop the hood. Check it out. There they are. Alright. What a cool front end in a classic 72. Alright, hold on a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As you can see, the data plate's still in place. Do you have a picture of that online for you? So here we are. Power steering, power brakes, 440 V8. Electronic ignition, and remember that is paired up with a 727 torque plate automatic transmission. Smooth running in, sounds good. I did hit the light switch off, door closes back up to both sides. So there you go. Like I said, last two of these we had in, very similar cars, went quick. 1972 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. We can check out the still pics. Look at the underside, trunk, interior, engine bay. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.